I'm about to go on the IndyCar two-seater experience. They got me suited up. Got everything ready. Just need to strap on my helmet and I'll be ready to go. Do not eat a big lunch before you get in this car. I squeezed in super tight and I only weigh 165 pounds. Of course, I forgot all about my claustrophobia once I found out I'd be riding with fan favorite Sarah Fisher. And just like that, it was over. If you're interested in trying this, go to IndyCarNation.com to find out more. Make sure to subscribe and check in every week when I have new episodes.